Hey, good day everyone. I've got this Lawn Mower Lift here. It's a lifting platform that has 992 pounds capacity. It's for garden tractors and lawn mowers. It's got a rotating sleeve, can be operated manually or with the power tool handle. It's made of alloy steel. I use a cordless drill. You can use an electric drill with it as well for the power tool version of it. And here I'm just kind of showing how the whole thing goes together. It's a super simple assembly. This lawnmower jack has three major advantages. It's got high efficiency and safety and stability. This rotating sleeve is the latest design point when using the manual handle. It can be used to rotate the telescopic pole with high efficiency, and the efficiency is 3 times more than the general lawnmower lift jack. And at the same time, it protects the palm of the hand from being scratched by the telescopic pole. The assembly is really easy on this. It only takes 10 minutes and you can do it with just one person. The base of the lawnmower lift table has been specifically widened to increase the contact area to ensure stability. And one of the nice things about this too is after use it can be folded up compactly and stored, in the garden shed or the garage. And continuing on with the assembly here, we're popping the pin in there to keep that rod from popping out. Make sure to put that washer in there as well. And that's the locking mechanism for the spinning rod. Just fits in there like that. It kind of holds it in place to keep it from flopping around. And there it is with the manual handle. So you can hand crank this if you don't have your drill around or power to use an electric drill. And that fitting's for the drill, which I'll show you in a minute. And that's the one I prefer. I like that the best. But like I said, if you don't have one around, it's got the manual hand crank option. Just kind of showing it in use there. Hand cranking it down. Well, it makes it really easy to swap these out too. You just take that hand crank handle, pop it off there, and slide the other one on it. Now I just grab my cordless drill and tighten it up around the bit and pull the trigger, and it'll quickly make that thing rise or fall depending on if you're lifting your mower up or not. Now I just back the mower on there. I will say I've used this with the front tires and the rear. This video is just showing the rear tires on it, but I like it with the front tires as well, because then you can just pull straight on it and it'll lift the front up. But either way, whether you go front wheels or rear wheels, it'll expose the bottom side of it and it won't tip over. It also comes with a length of rope. If you do really need to kind of get it on its side, you can secure it with the rope. So here it is, just kind of quickly raising the thing up. And it's effortless. It's really easy. I have to say, I'll be using this quite a bit. We hit a lot of rocks with our mower. We actually use the mower quite a bit and have to change the blades fairly frequently. So this just makes it so much easier to access the bottom side to change those blades. Very nice. I'm really happy with this product and I definitely recommend it. If you don't have one of these and you have a riding mower, I recommend you get this thing.